What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back.
Hello.
Oh wow. We are in South Haven. We teased you a little bit with this place in last video, but now we are back in the city like the Backstreet Boys. And we're gonna go do some exploring, eat some food. It's gonna be a great time. Sit back, relax.
There's a farmer's market, that's where we're going.
Don't, you spoiled it. She spoiled it.
You wanna tickle my pickle? We got pickles over here.
And that is the farmer's market. Very small, but still very cool. What'd you think?
I liked it. It was really cool. Lots of food.
Yeah, it's so much food. She found a whole gluten-free stand. We're gonna definitely go back, but we have more walking to do, so we're gonna wait because we don't want to carry a million things as we're getting our steps in. But now we're going to the downtown area.
And welcome to Water's Edge Coffee, where you can find any brewed coffee of your choosing or any brewed tea of your choosing.
You got what?
I got a raspberry hibiscus. It's caffeine free though.
I got a nice little cold beer. We're gonna hang out in here. It's not that cold though. Oh, look at this.
It's as big as my face.
Go.
Pretty good.
I need a new shirt. I'm getting sweaty. Ready to shop?
I'm ready.
Alright, what happened?
We went to this cute store, found a dress, changed.
Looking so good. Ooh, and I bought a new shirt, and
It's hot.
it's very hot. It's denim. It's holding all the heat, but let's keep exploring. Lead the way. All right, we stopped at Cookies on Call. I got the Butler Pantry cookie. It's caramel, chocolate chip, and sea salt. Here we go, one bite.
Everybody knows the rules. Can we see the inside close up?
That was so good. I'm gonna get a. Guys, look at that caramel chunk right there.
We'll figure it out.
All right, so we are making our way back to this lighthouse. We didn't see the lighthouse in last video, but we got pretty close. But we have plenty of time today. Next stop, ice cream. So that ice cream was delicious. The Salty Jack sounds sus, but it was good. It's basically a sea salt caramel. What'd you get?
Salty Jack. I got an amaretto cherry cordial. It was delicious.
So we've been brought back to life by ice cream and air conditioning. We're dropping stuff off at the car, and then we gotta do some more exploring. And you gotta change your shoes.
Yeah, my feet are killing me.
Where are we at?
We are at Taste, small plates and martinis. It is tapas style.
How was it?
Taste it. It was good.
Very good. Now it's time to go. All right, we are hepatitis C-ing you later to South Haven. It's been fun, a good little getaway, but we now have a 3-hour car ride home, and we're not gonna show you that because that's just really boring. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please drop a like, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, turn on the post notifications. Make sure you check out Small plate taste, whatever it was called, was really good. And yeah, what are your closing thoughts, Alex, on the trip?
It was delicious. Very small town, very cute. But if you're here for a whole weekend, just get used to seeing the same thing over and over and over again. But it was fun. And I could honestly say I'd come back, but I could wait another year.
Don't forget to have a great day or night. Don't forget to keep God number one. God bless.
Bless.